My name is Marlon, and today I'm going to teach you how to make Brazo de Mercedes, a traditional Filipino meringue roll with a custard filling. The origin of Brazo de Mercedes dates back to the Spanish colonial period. During that time, egg whites and eggshells were used extensively for making plaster and mortar to build massive cathedrals and churches throughout the Philippines. And the egg yolks were just thrown in the river. This brought about the ingenuity among the locals who thought of repurposing the yolk to make various desserts. And that's the reason why a lot of Philippine desserts today are egg yolk based.
For our main ingredients, we would need 7 ounces or half a can of condensed milk, 5 eggs, a quarter cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, and later on we would also need about a teaspoon of vanilla and a quarter cup of powdered sugar.
A quick tip for you guys. Since this recipe calls for the separation of the egg whites and the egg yolks, you gotta be careful not to put some egg yolks in the egg white mixture because that will prevent the egg whites from forming stiff peaks. And that's how you make Brazo de Mercedes. So try this recipe at home. I'll be honest with you, it's not as easy as the banana bread recipe that I featured earlier this month. But if you give it a try and if you have any question or comment, just leave it down below and I'll try to respond as best as I can. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you don't miss out on future recipes that will be featured on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.